First, I'm using this moisturizer which is from Amazon, and it's very good for my dry skin. It's very hydrating and it works for my skin. And then I'm blending the moisturizer into my skin so that the makeup blends easily. Next, I'm using my Fit Me Compact on my face, and I'm doing a new technique here for a flawless base. And for that you have to dab some powder on your face very lightly, every area where you get oily or you get crease lines. Dab some powder on that area. It can be translucent powder, loose powder, anything which you have. Dab it very lightly, don't put too much powder. Next, I'm using my Maybelline blurring primer for my skin. I'm using my PAC foundation in the shade 1.6 and blending it with my brush. I put some setting spray on my face before blending the foundation, and because of that the foundation blends easily and looks much better. Next, I'm using my Elegant concealer on my under eyes, and not using too much concealer. I'm just using on the inner corners and the outer corners because I want to highlight that part of my eyes, and on my chin and upper lips and the corners of the lips. And you can put concealer on any pigmentations, dark circles and any dark spots, and then blend it with any brush and any beauty sponge which you have, and then set everything with some powder. Next, I'm using my eyeshadow palette Rose in the Air from Wet n Wild for my eye look today. And this palette is such a beautiful palette. I am really loving this palette since the day I bought this. Now I'm using a darker brown shade in the outer corners to give some depth to the eyes, and I'm blending it very well so that the eye look looks perfect. And next, I'm using this white shade in my inner corners of my eyes and blending it with my fingers. Now using my brush for blending the same shade in my inner corners and blending it well until I am satisfied with my eye look. After that, I'm using this gel eyeliner from the Sugar, and using this little tiny brush for doing my eyeliner, and now highlighting the inner corners of my eyes. Then I use some blush and highlighter on my face and use this lipstick from Sugar Cosmetics, which looks so good with this look. Then I put some setting spray on my face and the makeup is done. Please tell me in the comment section what you think about this makeup. Thanks for watching.